Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about how to earn passive income with staking, what is staking in general, how to stake your crypto, and about platform where you can stake your crypto, about benefits and bad sides of staking. So let's go. Before we start, I would like to remind you about my Bybit free bonus, which is $4,100, and it takes only 20 seconds to sign up and trade with this money. It's way better to trade with money which is given as rewards than with your own money, so technically you are not losing any money. So you can find my link below my videos. You can go ahead and trade with my free Bybit bonus, guys. Let's go back to our staking and let's ask, what is staking? Staking means holding cryptocurrency for a fixed time and receiving rewards for the stake. In simple terms, it's the way to earn rewards by holding crypto assets. So if you hold crypto but you don't stake your crypto, you literally losing your money, while potentially you can earn by holding your crypto. There's many ways to earn passive income with crypto, and one of them is staking, and for me it's the easiest one. You can stake your crypto either with the exchange, either with the wallet, but today we're going to talk about exchanges, and I'm going to provide you 11 exchanges where you can earn your crypto. So we're going to start from the first one, and at the end you are going to decide by yourself which one you like more, which rewards are better, which annual percentage is higher, so you'll have a lot of choice for staking your crypto. So let's start from Binance. Binance is the first one, and on Binance you can stake your crypto in 3 different ways. So as I said before, Binance offers you 3 different ways of staking your crypto. Not only 3 more, but we are considering 3 today. So the first one is locked, the second one is flexible, and the third one is DeFi staking. So what is locked staking? Locked staking offers you to lock your crypto for the certain period of time to obtain your return. So it's actually easy. The longer you lock, the higher return you'll get. So let's look closely at locked staking, and as you can see here, we will find tokens you can stake. Here is estimate annual percentage yield, and here is duration, and here is minimum locked amount. So for locked staking you have a lot of tokens which offers you different annual percentage yield, which starts from 4% or 3% and goes up to 110% for Axie Infinity. Here, as you can see, you can choose your duration here. So as I said, the longer lock, the more the higher return you'll get. So for example, for 30 days of duration you will get 110 annual percentage yield for Axie Infinity, but if you will choose 90-day, you'll get 121%. So go ahead and check all the tokens, and maybe there is token you would like to stake here, and we move to the next staking, which is flexible. Flexible provides you to earn interest without a locked period. It's better if you don't know for how long you want to lock your coins. However, usually it comes with lower returns. Actually, before on Binance we used to see locked staking, then flexible staking, then DeFi staking, but usually it's always changed, so now we can see only locked staking and DeFi staking. But if you want to find flexible staking, you should go back to Binance Earn, go down a little bit, and here you will find BNB Vault, and it's quite flexible right here, as you can see. Also you can find different kind of staking here, like Ethereum 2.0 staking and Launch Pool. So let's come back to DeFi staking, and I'm going to explain you what's the difference. Really easy. DeFi staking allows you to stake DeFi project. As you can see here, warning here from Binance, risk warning. Binance strives to offer its users only the best DeFi mining projects. However, Binance only acts as a platform of showcase project and provides users with related services such as access processing funds on behalf of the user and distributing earnings. And let's look at the annual percentage yield here. It's really low. You can get 2% for Bitcoin, it's flexible lock, and for Ethereum 1.73, Link 2.39, and it's quite low, guys, which makes us move to the next platform which provides you staking, which is Bybit. Bybit provides you flexible staking. You can go to the website of Bybit here and find BLOCKFI center goes to flexible staking, and here you can see all the rates for your staking, which is 50% for Mana for 7 days, for Ethereum 2.50, which is better than on Binance, for Bitcoin 3.50%, and for USDT 3.50%. So you should definitely consider Bybit as staking platform. And let's move to the third one, which is PancakeSwap. I think it's my favorite because I stake my token there already more than 6 or 7 months, and I earned a lot by staking Cake. I'm going to explain you how, but if you want more details about it, you should go to my YouTube channel, find videos about PancakeSwap. I have even 2 videos of PancakeSwap, so there is a lot of information about how to stake your tokens on PancakeSwap. But if quickly, I'm going to explain you that from PancakeSwap we are going to pools, and here we can see the list of tokens which we can stake. And actually I started staking my tokens maybe 6 months ago, and annual percentage yield was for AutoCake 98%. It really went down from 98 to 72%, but it's fine. I earned a lot on it. PancakeSwap, I started staking my token here maybe 6 months ago. I put into it $6,000 and I withdrew maybe more even than $5,000. So technically I've got my profit, and I still have maybe 4,000. Yes, you can see here that I'm still staking my token. There I have $4,264. So here you also can consider manual cake and different tokens you can stake here. You can find different percentage yield, which is about 60%, which is really fine. You definitely should consider and have a look on PancakeSwap because I'm using it myself, and I really got my profit from it. Go to GEMINI, and here we can also stake our tokens by going to the products and finding GEMINI Earn. You can either start earning here by connecting your wallet and signing up, or also you can calculate your earnings here. You type here amount of money you want to stake here. For example, it's $10,000, and you choose your crypto right here, which can be different. As you can see, they offer you really quite huge list of crypto. Look at the Polygon, which is 1.51 annual percentage yield. Bitcoin is quite the same. Let's find the higher rates. For example, for Uniswap or Aave, it's about 3%, and I assume as closer you are to beginning, as more annual percentage yield, and I'm right. So you can stake your GEMINI dollar here, which is 8.05 annual percentage yield, and you can see that projected 2 years interest is 1,600. So it's quite nice for 2 years. If you will hold it for 4 years, you will get $3,000. So it's quite nice. You hold your crypto, you earn on your investment, and you also earn as a passive income on staking. Let's move to the fifth platform, which is KUCOIN. KUCOIN also offers you staking in finance. You go to finance and find pool X earn. Here you can see that KUCOIN offers you staking. So KUCOIN offers you to stake Hydra, which is 56%, SPRT, which is 26%, ZIL, which is 11%. But you can find here by clicking more, And here is the list of tokens you can stake, which is Polkadot, Hydra, Matic, ADA. So it's quite a good list of tokens you can stake there. Annual percentage yield here starts from 0.92%, which is quite low, but the higher rates is here for 26% for XPRT. Let's move to the next one, which is Kraken, and here you can earn rewards by staking coins and fiat. So you can find the rates here also for Polkadot, Cardano, Flow, Ethereum, Cosmos, Solana, and Bitcoin as well. For Kava we have 20% of annual percentage yield, and for Polkadot 12%, for Cardano for 6%. So it's quite normal rates. It's not high, not low, it's fine. So you definitely should look at Kraken as well. Next one is Bitfinex, and here you also can stake your token. We go for lenders and choose staking. You can calculate your potential rewards here, and you choosing any of token. Let's consider Solana, for example. One Solana, which is $242, but let's look into for example 100 Solana, which is $24,000, and daily rewards you will get $4 per day, $31 per week, $130 per month, and every year you can earn 6 Solana or $1,500. Let's go to the next one quick. I'm going to tell you about ApeSwap. It's quite the same exchange as PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap. Is all from the same circle. Here you can stake your tokens as well, and you can find really high annual percentage yield, which is 219%, and it's for hot cross. Again, you can look at different tokens, and this platform provides you really high annual percentage yield, but let's remember about it's really volatile, and the annual percentage yield could change every day, so be careful about it, and always do your research before you buy or invest in crypto. Next one will be FTX. Of course, you can stake your token right there. So let's include Gate.io, where you can earn passive incomes here. So you will find all information on the website. And the last one is Phoenix, where you can earn your crypto as well. This is the last one because they don't offer you as much choices as you have with Binance, Bybit, or PancakeSwap, or with Kraken or KUCOIN, but you also can consider this platform for staking, so have a look on it as well. At the end, let's talk about advantages of staking, and first one is coin holders can validate transactions on the network. Staking offers rewards that are additional source of income. Staking is an energy efficient process, so it doesn't require huge amount of electricity, no specific hardware requirement, and reduces the 51% attack commonly experienced by miners. Let's talk about risk of staking, which is crypto is volatile, as we know already. So cryptocurrency is a volatile investment, price swings are common, so you should always remember that rewards can change, annual percentage yield can change, and actually everything can change. So keep it in mind and make huge expectations of your income, and you will not have such a huge disappointment by the end. And let's move to the next one. There are lock-up periods. Staking involves locking up your funds and period of time, and if you lock up your holding for months or years, you won't have access to them for some time, which is you already know by signing up for locked periods taken. So let's move to the next one, which is beware of slashing. The next one and last one, you'll have to pay fees. Of course, you already know it. Every time and everywhere in crypto you should pay fees, so you kind of signed it up. So that was my video about 11 exchanges where you can stake your token. Hope you enjoyed this video and this video was useful and helpful for you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to comment and like my videos. It's really important for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next one.